In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join or create communities within Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for connecting with like-minded individuals or colleagues around shared interests or objectives. Let's dive into it and see how it's done. First off, let's understand what communities are in the context of Teams. Think of communities as teams or channels that are organized around specific topics or groups. They provide a focused space for conversation, collaboration, and resource sharing. Whether you're trying to facilitate group communication in a work setting or want to gather people for a shared hobby, communities can be quite effective. Now, to start, open Microsoft Teams. You'll likely see your team's dashboard or main screen. On this screen, look for an option that says something like Join or Create a Team. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the Teams interface, though your specific layout might differ depending on your organization's settings. Click this option when you find it. Once you've accessed this section, you'll be presented with a couple of options. If you're interested in joining an existing community, you might see a list of available teams that you can join. Don't be overwhelmed. You can browse through the options or use a search bar to find a specific community by name or topic. When you find the one you're looking for, select it. You might be prompted for a request to join or might be able to join directly, depending on the privacy settings of the community. Now, creating your own community is just as straightforward. If you don't see an existing community that aligns with your needs or interests, look for an option to create a team. This typically appears as a button or link in the same join or create area. Click on that and you'll be guided through a simple process to set up your team. Initially, you'll be asked to give your team a name and possibly a description. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the community so others can easily understand what it's about. Additionally, you will need to decide on the privacy settings for your community. Microsoft Teams allows you to set your community as private or public. A public team is open for anyone within your organization to join, whereas a private team requires an invitation or approval from a team owner. Once you've done that, your new community is ready to be populated with content and people. You can begin by inviting members who you think would be interested. Use the Add Member feature to invite them directly with their email address or name. Once your community is up and running, take some time to post an introductory message or resources. Encourage engagement by asking members to introduce themselves or share what they hope to gain from the community. There you have it. You now know how to join or create communities within Microsoft Teams. With these skills, you can foster more focused and organized discussions, enhancing collaboration among members. Happy teaming!